First time in a Hawk, man. Yo, this shit is hard. I know y'all hear that engine. Y'all hear that whine? God. Nah, this is 100 times better than my fucking. That's better than the SRT, bro. What the fuck? But nah, bro, this shit is hard. My SRT right here. This is a different piece, bro. What you think? What you think, bro? What you think? You think I should get a Hawk? Time for the Hawk. That shit popping and shit. Nah. Time for the Hawk? You think it's time for me to get a Hawk? God damn. I'll get back to y'all, man. I can't show the owner and shit for privacy reason, but I'll get back to y'all.
Bye. Come back again soon, okay?